Welcome to IrisLogic's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll delve into the powerful world of Google's BigQuery for powerful data analysis and management. In today's data-driven world, harnessing the potential of tools like BigQuery is essential for businesses and professionals seeking to extract valuable insights from their data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll gain insights into navigating the BigQuery interface, querying data efficiently, optimizing performance, visualizing insights, and much more. Our goal is to empower you with the skills necessary to harness the full potential of Google BigQuery. So, get ready to dive into the world of data analysis and management as we explore the capabilities of Google BigQuery together. Let's unlock the power of data. In the world of data analysis, the traditional approach involved server provisioning, complex configurations, and constant management. But now, enter the game changer, BigQuery's serverless architecture. No more worries about setting up servers or managing configurations. Let's break it down. Firstly, data upload and analysis become seamless. Efficiency and speed are at the core. Scalability is no longer a hurdle. And when it comes to cost effectiveness, it's as simple as a pay-per query model and resource optimization. Lastly, accessibility and integration are key. So, dive into your data analysis journey without the hassle of servers and configurations. BigQuery, where analysis meets simplicity. Start your serverless data exploration today. Setting up your BigQuery account. First, visualize yourself creating your account within the Google Cloud Platform. Head over to cloud.google.com to begin your BigQuery journey. Click on the Account Setup button, conveniently located within the Google Cloud Platform interface at cloud.google.com. As you progress through the setup, you'll gain access to a world of data at your fingertips. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your BigQuery account within the Google Cloud Platform at cloud.google.com. Now, you're ready to dive into the realm of data exploration and analysis with BigQuery. The left-hand sidebar hosts your datasets, neatly organized for easy access. Now, let's shift our focus to the powerful query editor. This is where the magic happens. Create your first SQL query seamlessly, leveraging the editor's intelligent suggestions. Craft your query, perhaps a basic select statement to fetch specific columns. BigQuery's user-friendly interface guides you through, making SQL accessible even to beginners. Execute your query with a click, and within seconds, witness the blazing fast processing power of BigQuery, fetching and analyzing data with impressive speed. Let's start with data ingestion. BigQuery offers versatile ways to bring your data on board. Whether it's uploading files from your local storage or streaming real-time data directly into BigQuery, the platform accommodates all. Uploading files is seamless. Simply select your data source, choose your files, and watch as BigQuery efficiently imports your data, ready for analysis. Next, we'll embark on a journey from the basics to the advanced realms of SQL querying within BigQuery. Let's begin with the basics. In BigQuery, fundamental SQL commands lay the groundwork for data retrieval and manipulation. This SQL code showcases a basic select statement, retrieving specific columns like column 1 and column 2 from a dataset in BigQuery. Demonstrates the where clause to filter data from a table. The query selects rows where condition_column meets the specified condition, greater than in this example. Utilizes the group by clause to group data based on a specific column. An aggregate function is applied to the grouped data. Now, let's elevate our querying game with advanced techniques. BigQuery empowers users with a rich set of tools for complex analysis. Here, multiple conditions, aggregations, and sorting converge to extract precisely the insights we seek. Enter joins. These operations are essential for combining data from different tables based on a shared column, enriching our analysis. Now, let's explore subqueries. Nested within the main query, they extract specific data, offering a dynamic way to approach complex datasets. Lastly, window functions. These analytical tools operate over specific data partitions, allowing us to perform advanced calculations for deeper insights. Optimization and best practices in BigQuery. Optimizing query performance in Google BigQuery is key to maximizing efficiency and minimizing costs. Let's explore some invaluable tips and best practices to supercharge your data analysis. Understanding the data lifecycle in Google BigQuery is crucial for optimizing query performance. Let's delve into key practices for efficient query processing. Firstly, leverage the Explain feature. This powerful tool within BigQuery provides insights into how queries are processed. Understanding this process empowers you to optimize queries effectively. Next, focus on minimizing unnecessary scans. Optimize queries to retrieve only the essential data, reducing the amount of data scanned. This significantly enhances query efficiency. Ensure the efficient utilization of indexes. Properly configured indexes enable faster data retrieval, contributing to quicker query execution. Next, optimizing query processing. By aiming to reduce overall query processing time, you not only enhance efficiency but also manage costs effectively. Optimizing scans and index usage directly impacts cost reduction in query executions. Partitioning and clustering within Google BigQuery are instrumental in optimizing data storage, query performance, and overall efficiency. Let's navigate through these key concepts to understand their role in managing data effectively. Table metadata forms the foundation. It stores essential information about tables and their structure, aiding in data organization and management within BigQuery. The Query Log Analyzer analyzes query logs to identify candidates for optimization, contributing to refined partitioning decisions. Candidate generation involves the selection of optimal partitioning strategies derived from the table metadata and Query Log Analyzer. The Read Pattern Analyzer assesses how data is accessed, guiding the partitioning strategy based on historical data access patterns. Similarly, the Write Pattern Analyzer evaluates how data is written, assisting in clustering strategies for efficient data organization. The Admin UI leverages algorithms to generate recommendations based on read and write patterns. These recommendations aid in creating efficient partitioning strategies. The Recommendations API synthesizes data from various analyzers to generate precise recommendations for effective partitioning and clustering. Through the Admin UI, users can access and manage partitions and clusters, facilitating seamless control over data organization. The Recommendations Hub acts as a central repository for recommended partitioning and clustering strategies, streamlining decision-making. Optimize query structure, craft optimized queries. Minimize the use of wildcards, narrow down select fields to what's necessary, and use appropriate functions. This significantly reduces processing time. Data organization, utilize nested and repeated fields to structure your data logically, making it more manageable and improving query performance. Google BigQuery continues to evolve, offering advanced features and paving the way for future trends in data analysis and machine learning. Let's delve into these exciting advancements. Firstly, BigQuery ML introduces machine learning capabilities within the platform. It allows users to build and deploy machine learning models using SQL directly within BigQuery. By leveraging familiar SQL syntax, users can perform tasks like classification, regression, forecasting, and clustering without the need for extensive machine learning expertise. Google BigQuery is on the brink of introducing remarkable advancements, poised to elevate data analysis and processing capabilities. Firstly, BigQuery is gearing up with improved capabilities in natural language processing, NLP. This evolution enables more effective analysis of unstructured text data. Additionally, BigQuery is set to seamlessly integrate with various external tools and platforms, including Google Cloud Services and third-party applications. This seamless integration will foster enhanced workflows and bolster data analysis, allowing for a smoother and more comprehensive approach to data management. Furthermore, BigQuery's real-time data processing capabilities are undergoing further refinement. The platform is working towards processing streaming data with greater precision and speed, providing real-time insights. These upcoming trends and features in Google BigQuery pave the way for a future where NLP advancements, seamless integrations, and refined real-time data processing will redefine the landscape of data analysis and decision-making. Google BigQuery stands as a transformative force in the realm of data management and analysis. With its robust features and scalability, it empowers businesses to navigate complex data landscapes with ease. From its seamless integration with other Google Cloud services to its lightning-fast query processing capabilities, BigQuery streamlines data ingestion, analysis, and visualization. IrisLogic's expertise in NLP and generative AI, BigQuery serves as a foundational tool for data scientists and engineers. Its ability to host models, handle data extraction and transformation, and execute machine learning tasks is unparalleled. Moreover, BigQuery's continuous monitoring and optimization ensure that businesses can extract meaningful insights that drive impactful decisions. Whether engaging with top-tier enterprises or startups, BigQuery has proven its ability to revolutionize data strategies, fundamentally improving business outcomes. Its role isn't just about managing data, it's about unlocking the potential within that data to drive innovation, efficiency, and informed decision-making. Contact us today to explore how Google BigQuery, coupled with IrisLogic's expertise, can elevate your data strategy, enabling you to unlock powerful insights that shape your business's success.